Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can enable enhancements in a speaker properties here if you don't have and you have had it before. So let's get started and see how you can fix it. So the first thing is to go right click here on start, or you can simply click here and type in device manager and click on this device manager. And from here we're gonna click on sound, video and game controllers, and here you should see this high definition audio device or Realtek device. So either you will see Realtek or high definition. Right click on it and here click on disable device, click on yes. After that, right click on it on the Realtek or high definition device here and click on update driver and click here browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers, and here you should have Realtek or high definition. If you had Realtek, click on high definition. If you had high definition, click on Realtek, and here we click on this and click next, and here we click on yes. And after this it should appear the sound enhancements, and click on. And here you have to restart your PC in order for this to changes to take effect. So I'm not gonna do it right now because I'm recording the video. So after that you just restart your PC and it should be there. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the video if it was helpful for you, and see you in the next video. Bye.